So because I didn't have any food yet, because my groceries came super late, I ended up ordering some food from Little Caesars. I should have did a video of the actual pizza and stuff that I got, but I didn't. But that was just it in my plate, and it was just pepperoni pizza. And I did half pepperoni pizza, half the bacon cheese stick thingies, and then I did the breadsticks with the cheese inside of it, the soft ones. So that was it. And then my groceries came later that evening, or not long after. So quick little grocery haul. I needed to get some groceries. I'm completely out of food. There is a 12-pack that isn't here yet. That has to be shipped. So it'll be here in a few days. There's nothing to worry about. It's just some Canada Dry, the fruit splash. But I got some Dr. Pepper cherry. I fucked up with the Red Bull. I got the sugar free, so that means this shit is gonna have a nasty ass aftertaste. But I'm gonna make it work. I got 2 chicken gravies, 2 turkey gravies. I'm gonna make broccoli chicken cheddar rice. So I got some Velveeta cheese. I got some Snickers. I got a big bag of chicken breasts. So if all else fails, I can put a meal together. I didn't have very much meat the last time. I always try to make it a point to have a big bag of chicken, because you can always put a meal together. Got that for the broccoli cheddar rice, and also to have some chicken. And then I want to make some chicken wings. I got a big bag of chicken wings, and again, that's another option to always have food. I got some milk for the broccoli cheddar, rice, cheese, whatever. I was looking for a quart because I didn't need a half a gallon, but they didn't have it. I'll just use it and then give the rest of it to my mom. I got some more basmati rice. Not sure if I'm saying that right, but this is my favorite rice. I love this rice. Can't go wrong. Like, it's so fluffy. I love it. And I'm going to try to make some kind of probably like jalapeno honey glaze for the chicken wings. So I got some honey and the broccoli. And I didn't see the 32 pack of water, so I got 2 of the 12 packs. The big thing has 35, but I already got some more, but I just don't want to run out. Because I got braids. I got some dry shampoo. I asked the girl that braided my hair if I could wash them, and I see on YouTube some people wash theirs, and she said she didn't know, so I didn't want to chance it. She's not like a professional, she's just somebody that knows how to do them, but she does them good. But she said that she didn't think that they would hold up if I washed them, so I didn't want to risk it. I got this, I guess it's Collab dry shampoo, original. I don't know nothing about no dry shampoo. All of this is new to me. When it's time for me to wash it, I'll just wet it and put some dry shampoo and my normal routine afterwards. Just a quick little groceries, nothing too much. That's it. Just realized that I forgot the Snickers. I got a 6-pack of Snickers. I thought I was forgetting something. It's the only sweets that I got. It's the only junk that I got. But I wanted to make sure that I got like meats so that I don't run out and I can put a meal together, because I've been struggling the last week to eat. I forgot the Snickers. My bad. Keep forgetting stuff. So I got some fresh parsley and a jalapeno. That's it. I have this sitting somewhere else. I forgot about it. But that's it. Fresh parsley and jalapeno.